Yeah.
Okay.
So we're going to block off the back of the uvula, slide up and down through the scale, 1/10 of your normal volume. The temperature of your body is 37.5 degrees. Breathe on your hand. So how hot is it in here?
Yeah. Feels about 37.
Let me just get the temperature here. That's 27 in here at the moment.
Yeah.
So this would have to be mid-30s. It's hotter than what's coming out. We're going to block off the back of the uvula, circulate air around the 2 sets of vocal cords. So we're going to be going really lightly. Okay,
right.
This is yoga for your voice.
All right.
And this is a great one to diagnose if you've got something happening. Now, don't freak out if you've got a cold and you're just missing 1 or 2 notes. That's quite common. But if you start to lose 4 or 5 notes off the top doing this and your sound sounds laryngeal meaning
Yeah, you're losing it.
it's not connecting. You don't try to push it, leave it, and that's what you got. And then you go and take whatever you need to do to get your voice through.
Okay.
Let's start down here. Hear me. That's it. You block off the back of your uvula with your tongue. This is your uvula. Just like you did then. Yeah, don't push too much sound in your nose. It's going to sound really nasally because you're already blocked up already.
Yeah.
But a little bit of air's got to come out of your nose, and that's why we're seeing a bit more nasal. But this is just relaxed, so it's
Okay.
quieter, Jimmy. 1/10 of normal volume. Jimmy, that photo as well too that you had on Facebook. I don't get on Facebook much. There was a photo of you. Was it like, what did you have? You had a mullet, like a perm. Was that a perm?
Yeah.
Jimmy, what are you doing?
Yes, I've got a perm. That's 1990, man.
I was going to nearly unfriend you then, Jimmy, but anyway. Let's keep going.
Alright.
Guys, check out Jimmy's photo on Facebook. It's a sight to see anyway. Alright, I'm going to give this one to you. That's it, nice and light, Jimmy. Good. Keep it light, keep it going. You've got to keep it blocked here, mate. And let it flip the falsetto whenever you want. I flip my top notes to falsetto then. Jimmy, keep it blocked off here, mate. So the back of my uvula is blocked off so that we're circulating this warm air around the 2 sets of vocal cords.
So are you blocking that with your tongue, the top of your tongue? Yeah, right.
This is my bottom of my front teeth
Yeah.
for the viewers. It's like this, and I just lift it up at the back. There's my uvula. That's all I'm doing. It's really super relaxed, man.
Okay.
That's it. Let it skip to falsetto, Jimmy. That's it. That's it. Yeah, it should be in falsetto about this high.
Yeah.
And that first note, Jimmy, springboards the sound in between the ears. Hear me. Good.
It's a weird exercise.
All my pro touring guys have got to do this, man.
Yeah.
All of them. And me. That's nice and clear. Good. That's it. Yeah, let the sounds go right to the crown of the head, Jimmy. it go right back. Let the chords thin out. Hear me. Let them thin out. Good. I'm going to run that off up there. Your voice is all okay, Jimmy. You just got a tiny little bit of laryngitis in the top 5 to 10% of your true voice.
Yeah.
As I said, in another week it could be gone. But you just need to do your standard scales and see how you go. Don't push the top range too much because it's probably going to fatigue a little bit. And just see how you go. But if you had a gig tonight, I would tune it right down.
That's really interesting.